Noel Gallagher gave an insight into the Man City dressing room after they beat Arsenal in the Premier League. Erling Haaland was gutted, despite Manchester City's thumping win over Arsenal, according to Oasis legend Noel Gallagher. The Norwegian scored and assisted in the 4-1 win over the Gunners, but it was clearly not enough to meet his own high standards. Gallagher claimed to have entered the City dressing room after the match, where the celebrations were wild after the club placed one hand on the Premier League trophy. However, Haaland was not quite as happy with his own performance. The 22-year-old apparently felt that he should have scored a hat-trick in the game. Haaland missed a couple of big chances before finally scoring City's fourth goal in the 95th minute, a record-breaking 33rd top-flight strike of the season. Erling Haaland, if he had his shooting boots on tonight, it would have been 7-1. No question, Gallagher, a huge City fan, told TalkSport. I've just been with him in the dressing room. He's like a young kid. He's walking around in his underpants telling me that he can't wait until I meet his uncle, who I've never met before. And he's gutted that he hasn't scored a hat-trick. Honestly, he's like a big, mad child. He's an incredible footballer. But, do you know what? When Haaland arrived, Guardiola said there are bits to his game he can improve on. We've seen that improvement tonight. He's now assisting goals. The touch for the first goal, he brought the ball down and put in Kevin De Bruyne. Kevin De Bruyne's goals were a joke. He's passed them into the net, through players' legs. If Arsenal fans were in any doubt about how big the gap is, that's how big the gap is. City's triumph means they are now just 2 points behind Arsenal in the Premier League table. However, their 2 games in hand and their storming form mean they are now huge favourites to retain the trophy. Guardiola, who is often cautious and unwilling to accept that City have won the league until it is officially confirmed, was happy to admit that the title was in his side's hands. The Spaniard said, "We cannot lose our focus. Now it's in our hands. These next 3 games will dictate if we can do what we want to do. The reality is we're still behind Arsenal," the Spaniard said.